Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the process of adding music to your Steam library. Whether you enjoy listening to custom soundtracks during your games or simply want to organize your digital media collection, this tutorial will make the entire process very clear. Begin by opening the Steam application on your computer. Locate the desktop icon and double-click it to launch the program. If you are not already signed in, click the Login option. Enter your account name and password carefully, keeping your details secure, and then click the Sign In button to continue. Once the main interface loads, look at the top of the screen and click on the Steam menu. From the resulting drop-down list, select Settings to access the client's configuration options. Inside this menu, navigate over to the Account section. For those who want the latest tools, you can choose to participate in the Steam Beta update. This is often helpful as it provides new features for music management. If you switch to the beta, Steam will require a restart to apply these updates, so proceed with the restart as prompted by the software. After Steam reopens, go back to the Steam menu at the top and enter Settings once more. This time, navigate to the Music tab. This section is where you can link audio files from your PC or external storage directly into the Steam environment. To begin, click the button to add music and browse through your local folders. Select the specific directories where your music files are stored. You can pick multiple folders if you have music in different places. Now, your favorite tracks are integrated into your library, ready to provide the perfect background for your gaming. Enjoy your new audio experience.